My name's Erica Harmon. I'm the brand manager for Kobalt Tools at Lowe's. What I do is make sure that we're delivering all of the high quality, durable tools that you're asking for. So today, I'm super excited about this item. We're going through the dual bevel miter saw. So really heavy duty box, handles, get it into your car. Most of the information you're gonna wanna look at is on the back. So each of our key call outs are listed on the back, arrows to the part of the tool that has that feature. So if you guys look from our top angle here, you'll see a variety of our 24-volt line of product. We have over 50 now. They don't all even fit on this box. Most of you hex heads know, but we'll put a new tool in here every now and then as an Easter egg so you know what's coming up. Kind of have to hunt for it, but it's worth the hunt. We currently have over 50 tools in the 24-volt line. All of them won't even fit on this box, and we're not stopping. Okay, let's open this up. Let me get a knife. Kobalt utility knife. I can't wait to get this thing out of here. Okay, so right off the top, hang on to this. Our website is on here. Our customer services line is on here as well. So hang on to this. Take out some of our clamps, handles, dust bags, a few screws. Okay, so let's pull it out. Get this box out of the way. Now this is really wedged in here, but it's gonna protect your tool for shipment. All right, so we got it out of the box here. Let's first put the handle on. So let me get a screwdriver. Okay, so this just sticks right in the top here. And then screw this in. Larger screw goes right in the top. Nice and tight. And then these two smaller ones go right in the side here. All right, that part's done. Now this is optional, just sticks right in here. It's just a clamp, just to keep your wood in the right place. All right, so let's lift it up. Take out, put this, all right. So first, let me show you a couple of the features. So this part's really cool. Super easy to turn your bevel. Locks right into these notches. You can just put it right in place and lock it down. I love this feature on this tool. You can do your cuts left-handed or right-handed. So the button on either side, they're connected. So you can press the button, use your left hand, press the button, use your right hand. Also comes with a light feature that's really convenient for being able to see exactly where your cut is going. So you can be super precise. So this is a compact, like portable tool. So handle up here, you can carry it around. Also aluminum base, so it's much lighter, but still has enough space here if you pull out the side fencing. So there's a lot of different ways the blade will move to give you the cuts you need. So let's pull this up here. This is your traditional up and down for your chop cuts. You can move this telescoping up to 10-inch boards. Change one of your bevels down here. So you can do miter angles. And lastly, you have bevel from left to right. Super easy. Okay, so let's spin it around to the other side. Convenient screwdriver right in the tool. You can use this to change out your blade. Never have to hunt around for that. Of course, this is a 24-volt cordless model, so the battery goes right here. We do recommend using the 6-amp-hour 24-volt battery. That will get you the best performance and the longest runtime. So let's put on our dust catch here. And let's give it a spin. Great. You'll see convenient feature up here, the light, so you can always see what you're doing. You get clean cuts. All right, here we go. Clean cuts every time.